Paul from Myrtle Limited. Here we have a Jaguar XJ6 Series 3 wood set. This would be suitable for an XJ6 Series 3 dating from about 1981 through to 1992. The only variant being some models will have a longer slot here for cruise control. Some will have a computer here rather than the clock. But this is a left-hand drive set. We do both left-hand and right-hand drive. Consists of the dashboard with glove box lid, the computer or clock panel, the top panel, the console panel there, and 4 door cabins, front and rear doors. And we veneer these in walnut veneer and polyester lacquered and hand polished. That's an XJ6 Series 3 dating from 81 through to 1992. And also fits XJ6 Series 3 V12 and Daimler 66.